Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to deploy Java web application on the internet. In order to do this, you just have to save your already created Java web application. For example, I use Eclipse to open the application. You just right click on the application and you just click here export, and you have to export it in WAR as a WAR file. You just browse where you want to save it, and I recommend that you save it as root dot war. And now you just click on finish, and the the application has now been saved on your computer. And now, in order to deploy it on the internet, you just need a Java web hosting plan. For example, I use dailyracer.com as my web hosting uh, website. And in order uh, to buy a web hosting plan, you just go here, Java hosting, and you select here Java hosting plans. And for example, I use this one, Java PT32. You just click here buy now, and you also need to register a new domain in case you don't have one, in order to be able to deploy the application on the internet. mm, for example, I will check if this one is available. This one is available, so you just click on continue, and here you can select for how many months you want the your Java web hosting plan. For example, for 12 months. And uh, you have to click on continue, and now you just click on continue here as well. And uh, you just you also have to pay for the domain, which is $19.95 per year, and for the web hosting plan, which is $53.4 per year. So you then you just click on checkout, uh, and they also offer you a 15% discount. And uh, then uh, you have to also use your first name and last name, address, and they will also ask for a password. I am now connected to the website, so my uh, my username appears here, and uh, I only have to input the payment method in order to complete the order. And after you buy the hosting plan and domain, you just you just go here to my domains, and click here on your domain name. And uh, this is the actual my website. And if you go to my services and click here on Java PT32, for example, the Java web hosting plan, and go to file manager, and you go to the Tomcat folder, and to web apps, then to your domain name, in this case javawebapplication.com, and you delete the root war file and the root folder, and click on confirm. In order to upload your web application, you click upload, select file, and now I will just select the root war file I have saved on the computer. Click on open. Now it is uploaded, and if I click here on reload and go to my website, as you can see, the website is now available. And if you also want to connect a database to your application, you have to go back uh, to your hosting plan, click here MySQL databases, and click here. You can use a name for the. You have to create a new database, and you can use which name you want. You just click here, create database, and go back, and now the database is added here. You can rename or delete it, and then you have to add a new user. You you just input which username you want, password. You can also generate a password, and just click on create user, and after you create the user will appear here, where you can change your password, rename the user name, or delete the user, and then you just have to you need to add it to the database by clicking here, and after you add the username to the database, you can go back to your hosting plan, php my admin, and your uh, your database will appear here. And if you click on it, you will see all the tables you have added to the database. For example, these are the tables that I have already added to my database. And in order to create a new table, you just go here to SQL, and here uh, you just input the SQL queries for example, for table creation or table deletion, or if you want to amend an already available table, you can run any MySQL query you want. For example, I will create a new table, for example this one, and to run the MySQL query, just click here go, and now the table has been created, and you can now add information to, to the table uh, using your Java code. And one more thing you need to do, you have to add your user and new password uh, to your Java web application, and you just go uh, to your uh, to your connection, to your database connection from Java, and you just change your database name and the username by uh, by copying the database name from here uh, in your database name, and your database user from here uh, to your username, and you just input any your password which you have chosen here. You just input it here, mm, and then you just save, and then you can connect uh, to your database. Thank you for watching.